Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make a caprese pasta salad with just 5 simple ingredients. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need cooked pasta of your choice, cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, fresh basil leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. Remember, you can adjust the quantities according to your preference. Now, let's assemble our caprese pasta salad. In a large mixing bowl, add the cooked pasta. Next, add the cherry tomatoes, sliced in half, for a burst of juicy sweetness. Now, let's add the fresh mozzarella balls. And of course, we can't forget the star ingredient, fresh basil leaves. Tear them up and add them to the bowl. Finally, let's finish it off with a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This adds a tangy and slightly sweet element that ties all the flavors together. Now, gently toss everything together, ensuring that each ingredient is evenly distributed. Look at those vibrant colors coming together, and there you have it, our mouth-watering caprese pasta salad. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!